Okay, so I'm going to be doing a different video today. Today is going to be a video of 3 days of lunches. So this afternoon, the first day, I'm going to be making sweet potato, boiled sweet potatoes with fish and egg sauce. Yes, smoked fish and egg tomato sauce. Yes, that's what I'm going to be making this afternoon, and that's what I will be taking for lunch today. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and please like and comment anything you can relate with me with. Thank you. Right now, I'm just going to start with cutting the sweet potatoes for the first lunch of this video, and then I'm going to wash it out, and that is it. After cutting the sweet potatoes, I'm just going to go ahead and cook the sweet potatoes, washing them off, cooking the sweet potatoes, adding salt, and that is it. So for the sauce right now, I'm going to be cutting my fresh tomatoes, I'm going to be cutting onions, and I'm also going to wash out my smoked fish. The smoked fish is called panla in Nigeria, smoked fish, or you can use any type of fish you want, but I prefer it to be smoked so that you will get the kind of beautiful taste that I'm going to have in my own meal. And also, I'm also going to be frying the tomatoes, the onions, and the smoked fish together. I'm going to also be adding my eggs to it. And honestly, this is just the perfect meal for even dinner, lunch and dinner. You can have it. And in some Nigerian homes, they do take it as breakfast, but I wouldn't want to do that. But I think for me, I prefer it to be either lunch or dinner. So I hope you guys will, if you know you're going to try this recipe, please let me know. If you don't have smoked fish in wherever you are, you can actually do it yourself. You can just get a fresh fish and put it in your oven and then use it afterwards for it. So when I'm done, fresh tomatoes and smoked fish, and I have my eggs. Thing I love about this recipe is that the tomato will still be fresh, the onions will still be fresh, and even the fish, everything will still be fresh. Even everything will just be fresh. The reason why it's going to even take so long on the stove top is because of the eggs, but when I'm eating it, you still see that everything is still fresh and so tasty, honestly. And now the sauce is ready. It's ready, and as you can see, it's still fresh. I'm going to be dishing out my sweet potatoes. Yeah, I really love taking cooked sweet potatoes. If you are still going to be following me on my channel, you will see that I'm going to be taking a lot of sweet potatoes because it is high in fiber and it is really tasty. So I love taking it. It is healthy. So these two meals are really healthy. Okay, so this is a very great lunch idea that is also high in protein. In this one alone, you will get up to, from the fish, 20 grams of protein, and from the two eggs 6 grams each is going to be 12. So this is going to be 32 grams of protein. Look at that, guys. Taste test. Let's see. This is really good. The onions, they are still fresh. Even everything here, the fish, everything is still fresh. I love that everything is still fresh. Please, you guys, I know you know about every time egg and tomatoes, but just try adding smoked fish. I didn't say fresh, smoked fish, and you will come back and testify. Oh my goodness, this is so good, and this is a balanced meal. Balanced. Oh my goodness. So today, this is day 2. I'm going to be taking scrambled eggs, moi moi, and Nigerian jollof rice. Okay, so this jollof rice I'm going to be making, I'm going to be eating this afternoon or this lunch, is what I ate the previous night. So it's going to be a leftover jollof rice. So I'm just going to be making scrambled eggs. I'm going to be making omelets, not scrambled, omelets with it. Also moi moi. This moi moi is also a Nigerian delicacy where you use beans to make it. You are going to wash out the beans, remove the back of the beans, and you're going to blend it. And when you blend it, you add some crayfish, add salt, pepper, oil, and cook it until it forms a mold. So that is what I'm going to be taking today. This is day 2. Jollof rice, eggs, and moi moi. The eggs and the moi moi are going to give me the protein that I needed and that I need for this day. Okay, and it is packed with protein, as you all know. Beans, look at this, is the moi moi. Okay, this is how it looks after blending it, and I'm going to be adding a little Nigerian jollof rice. This was so good, this was so tasty. And also I'm going to be adding my eggs, and voila, this moi moi, I actually got it outside from a fast food restaurant. So that is it. So look at that, so good, so tasty. Taste test. So I'm going to start with this moi moi, and this is so good. Honestly, this is so good. So this is a day 3 of lunch. So this, I'm just cutting chicken breast. This is what I'm going to be taking. This is just salad. This salad is really packed. I'm going to be adding chicken breast, I'm going to be adding carrot, I'm going to also be adding sweet corn, apples, cucumber, even macaroni. Like, it is really packed with protein. I think I have this recipe, I have something like this on my channel. I'm going to put it over here so that you're going to see the full video of how I made this salad. So on this day, I'll be going out to the church. So I'm going to take it with me because we're going to stay very long. So during lunch, I'm going to take it. So I hope you will enjoy it. just like the way I enjoyed eating it when you try it. Just tell me in the comment section, are you going to try these recipes? Are you going to try this salad? Are you going to try the food, the first meal I made? Have you tasted Nigerian jollof? If not, let me know. Let me give you a recipe, a sure recipe that you will so much love, and you will going to appreciate it. That even though you've not made jollof rice before, I'm going to simplify it for you to make it. There is nowhere in the world that you will not get all the ingredients for making Nigerian jollof, and we are going to make the healthy version of it. Okay, so guys, keep on watching. So right now I'm in the office of my church, and I'm going to be taking the salad with smoothie. I forgot to add that. I'm going to be taking smoothie. I added banana, flaxseed, what else, what else? I think I added milk, tiger nut milk to it, because this is going to be the first meal that I was going to be having on this day. So this is it. This is me tasting it, and we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching to this extent. I am so grateful. Please, if you've not liked this video, please help me to like it. Help me. Thank you so much. Bye.